Okay, stand by driving. Driving in 3, 2, 1. Turning
Nice. Goes up.
1 minute for the time check.
By the end of the week, though, then are we going to get?
Yeah, Thursday looks super light.
Should we run at 60, 70? We can for sure.
And then if we
60, 60.
yeah, for the day after.
I feel like we can't really go higher than 50, 55 ish with the bow.
Yeah.
But if we can go 60 and slightly send it, then it will go much faster.
Now we finish the path adjustment. Sorry about this. Out.
Class A and cruising multiple are doing course 19 X-ray. Course 19 X-ray. And airboat but there are under lights. 19 X-ray. Clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
I've never seen this thing before. It's very small.
No, I built the third one. That's probably Resting in 3, 2, 1, nice and easy.
I can't see the
30
15
seconds.
Just keeping the time low for very low.
Alright guys, let's get into race mode.
20.
Maybe give me the 4
Again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Airspeed displayed. CFA1.
Alright, for the main, the 4 pedestals on the jib. You should have half pedestals on overdrive.
You can do it with your elbow.
Yeah, you look cool like that.
I'm not that efficient. So where do you want to start?
Probably half mile on the line.
Yeah, I think the line is super fair.
Copy. And then we head there, basically tack below the polish or something now.
Yeah. For taking.
Okay, forget about the cano, we do the tack first.
Taking in 3. Let's get the main on first. Let's go closer. Main on. Main on. Main on. 3, 2, 1. Taking.
Should have gone.
Let's ease the sails. We're still very early. Ease everything. Ease everything.
Yeah.
135.
Wait a minute, beginning.
seconds.
I book it. Tagging.
20.
Let's get the sails on, let's get moving. Hold.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apparently removed. 1 minute to
Shall I try and hook him? Nah. They're away, you stay. Ease everything, bro.
All clear, CSA 1, performance multi-hull. All clear, CSA 1, performance multi-hull. 1 minute window, CSA racing, gonna hold full.
Always there on the go. Highway up. We're going to the grinders for the next tank. Good speed. It's a great minute here. We're killing it.
Yeah, we're getting them?
Yep.
Good.
Try to work yourself up to windward. Any height's good.
Yeah, right now I can't. It's
no.
knocking again.
Keep the speed.
But that's good for us if it's knocking, huh?
Foxy, we have plenty of runway limit. We can continue
What?
all the way to the bay.
What do we have?
There are no rocks. We can continue clear.
Sanitary display, CSA 4.
Nice. A bit higher and slower.
Still advancing on them, they're setting up to attack.
They're gonna attack right now.
Can we do the traveler after the tank?
Yeah, that's it. Back quick. Okay, stand by.
Okay, turning the boat in 3, 2, 1, turning.
Tight. Overdrive. Against. Check, yeah, nice. Main on.
Yeah, push it.
Main on.
Push it.
On. Yep, more main.
Keep going.
I see, I don't remember.
Start CSA racing 4.
Same as Poland. Yeah, a little faster than Poland right now.
Another 30 seconds or something.
20. All clear, CSA 4. 10.
turning the boat. In 3, 2, 1, turning.
Territory displayed, CSA 2. Territory displayed, CSA 3.
Are they crossing in front?
Good position for the tech, I think. I think we got them soon again and then we squeeze them away. Force them to tech.
Right now you're higher.
Turning the boat in 3, 2, 1, turning. Nice. Get the G-ball, what the fuck? No, that's not the Polish.
Yeah, we gotta take her on and then stand on a bit at the moment. Just in front of gate 3. Port side set up, eh? Starboard set up and on the port side.
So start around and then we have to go to the dirt show.
The race committee would like to bring to all editors daily instruction 11.1.
Now we are matching in the last few seconds.
Tiger, can you take up on the pink one and walk it forward? Yes, pull it and walk it forward. Forward. Keep walking.
Alright guys, and lift the arrow in 3, 2, 1, lift the arrow. Yeah, push, push, push. Push, 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 push.
Yeah, on it. Connect to me. Yeah. And go for it. Second.
I'm always a bit too tight, possibly.
Ah, yeah.
Since we only have to tack, get rid of the A4 sheets, we don't need them at the moment. We rerun them. We only need to tack.
Then I just let them go.
Yeah, we have to control it. We have to get them in.
Yeah, so we need to put it up there. Line to each other.
Yeah, if they're not
Whatever you prefer. Yeah. And then pull them. Pull them up there. And then I go dip now, yeah? Pink starboard.
Just fucking leave them.
We get people back here. Let's go.
Right, guys, 6 rounders.
Push, 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 push. Dig in, guys. Come on.
Turn for 3, 2, 1. Back to black. On the starboard prime. Yeah. Hit the side. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah, guys. Fell. 3, 2, 1. Push. On the kite.
Main on.
Main on. Yeah, that's the question. Very nice maneuver, guys.
We need a bearing.
Bearing to the... I don't know where we're going.
But they shortened, they were way... Do you need an E? Or how much?
That's 44. Yeah, big eve.
Copy.
Hang on. Firewagon is up there.
Firewagon is up there, yeah.
153.
153, return to boys.
Ja, is much room on the kite? 2, 1.
In on, yes.
And... Oh! Ja, okay, pull it.
Now you're pulling it open.
Are you pulling it open?
You guys are enjoying this.
big one. On the other side.
Ich bin über ein bisschen aufgestanden. Ja, ich bin gut drauf. Hallo!
Hello. Is that
We have one orange mark coming up here. Do we need to stay outside or no?
Shirley's kind of in on the shore. We've got to stay outside of that.
The tuna is also way further in, right?
Yeah, tuna's the first orange that we went round that hitch mark yesterday.
Here we go.
keep looking back?
I thought you brought in the safety thing.
And excitement, right?
Oh, they went on the other side. Oh. What? They had to jibe because they were too low.
3.3 mile right on.
Oh, 2 for 1.
Whoopsie!
Tabby.
Yeah, man! You know, Sip, today the Polish showed up to play and we still beat them. And we went twice too far on the marker to give them a chance, but even then, they didn't take the bait. Now we stay behind you, it's quieter here.
Tried to go closer.
They did give it their best.
Order about it, just
Good job.
Not some guys.
That's the problem with the Polish, all the cheap boats.
Usually the